Hello, my name is Eli,
My name is Christian.
and I'm going to be teaching you how to add a page on Weebly. First, you'll press the Weebly button. It's a big W. Then, you will press sign in and use your username and password. I'm going to blur out mine because you won't use mine. But you put in your password, so it's your first name, your first letter of your first name, the first letter of your middle name, and your last name with the year you'll graduate. Your password is just BMS and your student ID. Then, while you're logging in, you must press website. That will bring you to all your sites, and you'll press edit site. And when you get through there, you may have to wait a few seconds, as you can see, and just wait. Now, as it starts loading in, you can tell I have a bunch of stuff on my Weebly. But on the top right of the Weebly, you can see there's a folded page. You press that, then you press the addition sign on the top left of the white page. You put the name of your page, what you want to name the page, which I'm gonna just name your page, and then choose whether you want a header, splash, or no header. I chose splash. Then you choose whether you want to hide menu or keep it, and then you press save. After your save, you're gonna want to preview, and when you preview, just make sure it works, and then press done, and it will be saved to your Weebly. And that is how you add a page to your Weebly.